Joel Donovan here, Donovan Heating and Air. We're at one of our customers' homes who just had a dehumidifier installed. Not happy with how the dehumidifier is running. One of the things that we find very common when somebody installs a dehumidifier, they install it incorrectly. Let me show you a couple of the things that are wrong and a couple of the things that are right. Number one, this return right here is correct. We are pulling air from the house. It is going through the dehumidifier, but this dehumidified air is going into your supply ductwork on the system. This dehumidifier cannot overcome the supply ductwork, so it's never going to work properly. The other thing they did wrong with this dehumidifier installation is they are running the high voltage off the air handler. You can't do that. A couple of things about a dehumidifier. Really important to have one in Jacksonville. When you are not running your air conditioner, you are not dehumidifying your home. There is a lot of time in Jacksonville where you need to be running the dehumidifier without the air conditioner. If you want a dehumidifier installed correctly, please give us a call. We're Donovan Heating and Air. Our number is 904-241-3785.